Coordinate system. The objective to study Cartesian coordinate, cylindrical coordinate, and spherical coordinate. Next to move gradient, divergence, and curve. The coordinate system defines point of reference from which a specific vector direction may be defined. Means whatever you want to locate a point in a cylindrical symmetry or in a sphere or in some plane, then these coordinate system is important for locate that point. There is three types of coordinate system. Generally three types of coordinate system: Cartesian, cylindrical, spherical. We move to the Cartesian coordinate system. The variable use x, y, z. This variable means three dimension use x, y, z. You see here x, y, z, look, axis, x axis, y axis, and z axis. This one taken as a anti-clockwise, means x, y, z taken such direction. This represent clockwise direction, means x, y, z taken in this direction. This is your origin point. This shows your limit, means x range greater than minus infinite, less than infinite, similarly y, and similarly z. This one is the Cartesian coordinates. The representation of in a vector form Cartesian coordinate is a vector is written as this one is the magnitude and their unit vector. This one is the magnitude y direction and unit vector, and similarly z direction. You see here, if suppose consider z is equal to 0, means this one plane, this your x axis and this your z axis, y and x axis. Suppose this one plane taken consider, then this one was xy plane. Here you see here, this is the origin point, locate to 0 0 0. This was your yz plane, this is your xz plane on y is equal to 0. Means anyone you want to point in a particular Cartesian coordinate system using, you see here also diagram. This one is the Cartesian coordinate. Here you see there is a 6 phases such as your cubic are put up in a Cartesian coordinate system. This one shows you. Next move to the cylindrical coordinate system. This used for when the cylindrical symmetry exists, such that you see here the cylinder's shape structure. Sorry, the radius is rho. The variable is rho phi z. Rho is the radius, phi is the angle measured from x-axis. This is one x-axis. The angle measured from this one, means there is a 360 rotation. There is a phi. Phi is range greater than 0, means initial 0 angle is this, then increasing order of this way. Phi range greater than 0, less than 2 pi or 360. Z represents the height of cylindrical structure. If you go the representation of in a vector form, sorry, a vector is represented by as like magnitude and this one unit vector, then magnitude this unit vector. Means you noted this point how this a vector in cylindrical coordinate will represented, and in Cartesian coordinate such like this. Next to move spherical coordinate system. A spherical coordinate system we use variable as r theta phi. You see here spherical coordinate system r theta phi. This used in the spherical structure like your sphere, like your volume. This one you show the variable r theta phi. The r is the radius of sphere. This one shows, suppose this one of the point that is located by the r theta phi in spherical coordinate. This one your radius. Sphere you look like your volume. Balloon is such like the radius r. The angle theta is measured from z axis, this one direction, z axis, and phi is angle similar way your cylindrical coordinate, this one your phi. Means the variable is r theta phi. The range of this value you also see here. You see here the sphere. Suppose this one point is located somewhere, you indicate in a sphere. Then one of the radius, and next one is your angle phi. This one shows z axis angle phi, and next your phi, sorry, this is not phi, this is your theta. Phi is angle measured from x axis, this is your phi. This one shows you the theta angle is, this representation is long, this is wrong. Here you come theta, here place you come phi. This one is your r. You correct this. Means overall conclusion is a spherical coordinate system is r theta phi. R is the radius, theta is the measure from z axis, and phi is measure from x axis angle. Means theta and phi is the angle. The range of r is greater than 0, less than infinite. This is the radius of sphere, and theta is equal to theta greater than 0, less than 180 degree, and phi is a similar way as cylindrical coordinate, greater than 0, less than 360 in spherical coordinate. This one diagram show you the cylindrical coordinate system, cylindrical structure, the radius of rho. This one, suppose this point is indicated by rho phi z. The rho is the radius, phi is the angle measured from x axis, and z is the height of this cylindrical structure. Okay, this is the overview of your Cartesian, cylindrical, and spherical coordinate system. The representation of their unit, their vector, such like a vector in cylindrical coordinate. In place of sphere, this used as a r theta phi. Okay. Next to move, this is the overview of differential length, area, and volume. In Cartesian coordinate, the differential length means x, y, z is a variable. If you are differentiate, symbol use here, the dx, dy, dz. Then this one come your differential length. In terms of you see here differential area and volume. You see here differential length is addition of differential of x axis and y axis and z axis, the distance, and the unit vector, add all. 3 terms. Then differential length is calculated. Surface, you very well know that the surface is calculated length multiplied by width. That's why only two values are used: yz, xz, differential yz, xz, and differential xyz, and with unit vector. You see here, if ax is a vector, means dy and dz. Use just opposite this value, unit vector is come. This opposite value is unit vector come. Differential volume means multiply with all distance, differential distance, then your volume is calculated. Similar way, cylindrical coordinate, all three terms rho phi z in differential you are add. You noted this one, d rho and rho d phi and dz. Similar way, two terms are used in a differential surface area calculation, and volume is all three terms are multiplied. Similar way, your spherical coordinate, you noted this point, dr, r d phi and r sin d sin theta d phi. In differential length, all three terms are added, two terms are multiplied, and thus opposite your unit vector is come. In volume, all three terms are multiplied. Line, surface, and volume integral. Line, surface, and volume. Here you see that line integrate from 1.2. Here you see that one of the vector or one of the field is flow in this direction. You taken a length from A to B, then you integrate this length, that is the line integral A to B. A dot dl use means A dot dl means in small length of dl is integrate which passes the A vector. A dot dl, that is the line integral. If you expand, then this is the dot product, that's why A dot dl is A dot dl is equal to A dl cos theta. You here only noted that how line integral is represented, this one is so, and if we close path integrated, then symbol is you look like this way. This is a closed path you see here. Now surface integration, you see here one of the surface area and one of the small, you show differential surface area. This one shows in surface area integral with suffix s is used here, means surface area also represented by double integration. If you use double integration, a dot ds is similar if we put only one integral with suffix s, means surface area integrate this one area which is used such like you see here, this differential surface area integrated over the A vector. You here noted that the surface integration use such like way, if you open the dot product, then A dot A ds cos theta is come. Similar way, volume integral is not in the notes. You see here volume integration, you triple integral symbol use A dot dv. If triple integral not used, you put only single integral and put a suffix v as you use here surface integral. This one comes to the volume integral, A dot dv volume integration.